Senator Mike Rounds is opening up about his push to eliminate the statute of limitations for second-degree murder cases on federal and tribal land. Dakota Territory's Blake Trolley spoke with the senator, who explains how the killing of a toddler in South Dakota served as inspiration for the legislation.
The law is called Kamisha's Law, and it was named in memory of a toddler who was killed in Sisseton back in 1992. The killer was caught decades later and ended up pleading to a lesser charge than murder. Senator Mike Rounds rolled out a bill last month that would remove the statute of limitations for non-capital homicide offenses on federal and tribal land. Those offenses would include second-degree murder cases and murder of federal officials. Kamisha's Law was named in memory of a toddler who was killed in Sisseton back in 1992. Federal prosecutors say Jay Adams Jr. slammed the toddler's head against a concrete floor, then placed her back on a bed and returned to his bedroom. According to federal prosecutors, he pretended to be unaware of how the girl died. An initial investigation did not ID Adams as the killer, and the case went unresolved until a witness came forward in 2023, ultimately leading to an indictment.
But because the statute of limitations had expired, they could not be charged with the murder.
Adams ended up pleading guilty to voluntary manslaughter last year and was sentenced to 10 years in federal prison. Now Rounds is trying to change the course for future long-standing unsolved cases that lead to indictments.
There is a reason why you have statutes of limitations and charges on certain items, but in this particular case, I think this is an oversight, and it's one that does not serve justice well in its current form.
Rounds introduced the bill late last month. He told Dakota Territory News that as of last week, he had not heard any opposition to the bill.
There may be some as we get deeper into it, but at this point, we're not finding opposition.
The toddler's mother and husband thank Rounds for working on the issue. They were quoted in a press release from Rounds' office as saying in part, "We believe Kamisha's Law will positively impact unresolved cases of other families waiting for justice. It is also our hope that Kamisha's Law will assist law enforcement and prosecutors with the time needed to properly investigate and prosecute similar crimes." In Rapid City, Blake Trolley, Dakota Territory News.